Hi Red Apple Girls, Ashley here. In this video, I'm going to be creating a beautiful makeup look to go with the lipstick in the shade called Appley Ever After. The first eyeshadow that I'm going to apply is in the shade called Porcelain, and I'm going to apply this all over the eyelids up to the brow bone. Next, take the eyeshadow in the shade called Iced Mocha and go ahead and apply that all over your eyelids. After that, take a tiny little bit of the eyeshadow in the shade called Brownie Points and apply that to the crease. To smoke out the outer corner, I'm going to be using this eyeshadow in the shade called Espresso. To line my eyes, I'm going to be using the Espresso eyeshadow for the upper lash line, and then I'm going to go back in with Brownie Points for the lower lash line. Finish off your eyes by applying the Lash Project mascara. Complete the makeup look by applying the lipstick in the shade called Appley Ever After. Appley Ever After is a neutral red, so it tends to look great on everyone. So if you're someone who doesn't really know which red lipstick to try, I highly recommend this one. Here's the completed makeup look. My favorite thing about this makeup look is that the eyeshadows and the lipstick work so seamlessly together. They're not competing, they just complement each other, which is great. It really lets this red lipstick shine. I would love to hear what your favorite red lipstick is, or if you tried Appley Ever After, what you loved most about it. And I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye!